Welcome to Wheelhouse. Today, we dive into something truly special, the 2025 Hindustan Contessa SP. A name that once ruled Indian streets with its powerful presence is now reborn for a new era. Let's find out what makes the new Contessa SP a modern legend. A legend reimagined. The Hindustan Contessa first gained popularity in the 80s and 90s, known as India's muscle car. Fast forward to 2025, and the new Contessa SP carries forward that rich legacy, blending classic charm with cutting-edge technology. Hindustan Motors has reintroduced the model with bold styling cues from the original, yet with futuristic design elements that feel right at home in today's world. Design and styling. The 2025 Contessa SP features a wide, aggressive stance with a sculpted hood and prominent grille that pay homage to its heritage. LED matrix headlamps, flared wheel arches, and a sleek fastback rear end make it an instant head-turner. Inside, the cabin is a blend of vintage luxury and modern sophistication, featuring leather upholstery, a fully digital cockpit, and ambient lighting that adjusts to driving modes. Performance and power. Under the hood, the new Contessa SP offers a turbocharged 2.0-liter petrol engine, delivering an impressive 220 horsepower. A hybrid variant is also available, combining electric torque with traditional muscle for a thrilling drive. Both versions come with a 6-speed manual and an optional 8-speed automatic transmission. The Contessa SP isn't just about straight-line speed, it features a sport-tuned suspension and dynamic steering for superior handling. Technology and features. The Contessa SP comes packed with tech. A 12.3-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system bring it up to global standards. Connectivity and safety are prioritized without compromising the raw driving feel enthusiasts crave. Pricing and availability. Expected to launch in mid-2025, the Hindustan Contessa SP will be priced competitively, targeting young enthusiasts and nostalgic fans alike. With several customization options and special edition variants planned, the Contessa SP is set to create a new cult following. Final thoughts. The 2025 Hindustan Contessa SP isn't just a car, it's a revival of emotion, performance, and history. It respects the past while racing into the future. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Wheelhouse for the latest news, reviews, and automotive deep dives. See you in the next video.